I hope they see how ridiculous it is to put a bumper in the way of the headlights, making it virtually impossible to take the headlights out without getting a bumper off. This is ridiculous. Totally absurd. Trying to take out the headlights, it's quite a bit of a task. I tried taking apart the frame here. I even took the bolt on there to see if maybe I can lift the frame out of the way and get the bolt in from here, because there's a bolt right in there that you need to get, but you can only get it from here. I tried to take this apart and see if I can get my hand inside there to get the ratchet in there, and I couldn't. So I had to take it apart. As you can see, the other side, I successfully took it apart. And in order to do that, you got to get the bumper cover off to get your ratchet there, and to be able to pull it out, because even if you could get your ratchet there, the headlight doesn't come out without having to take the front bumper cover off. Take out those bottom bolts, the bottom of the cover. You got a bolt over here, right by the strut tower. You get the plugs out. Then you can actually peel this back far enough to get at the two bolts that we have in here. So. Now these here, they don't always come out the way you would want them to. Sometimes they will, but other times they'll just spin. And in this case, it looks like it's wanting to come out, so we're good. Just rather pull that out, because sometimes they want to spin, other times they don't. These strip anyways. You start putting a screwdriver to it, it strips out. So I'd like pull back on it, see if we can get enough space just to get this behind and just pull it out. So this one here, this is the one that's underneath the strut tower. Try to get a good angle on that for you to see it. This is another one underneath the fender here. There's so much dirt on it, you gotta try and get the socket on properly, because if you strip that, it's gonna be tough to get out afterward. So make sure you wiggle it enough that the socket gets on there properly. We got it peeled far enough back. Can actually get our hands in there. There's one here in the corner. I didn't exactly put this in a welcoming spot. Gotta find an angle that works for you. It's tough to get in there, to be honest with you. If you find yourself saying, you know, well, my hand doesn't bend that way, trust me, neither does mine. really trying here to get you the best angle possible. The panels is just not feasible. So you can take the wheel well out if you want to make your job easier, if you don't want to have to struggle like that. But if you look at mine, I had to push the plastic out far enough to make sure that I could get my turn the ratchet in there. So as you can see, upper separated now, cover comes off. I could actually get the ratchet in there, which is where we need to go next. So you got the bolt there, and then you got the bolt here, which I already took out. They don't even make the wires long enough to pull the headlight out all together, so you have to pull the wires out before you get it out. So as you can see, not quite the easy task to get it done, but it's doable. You see how far I pushed that back. The inner fender. I mean, you can take it out completely if you want. Might be easier, but you know, you have the clips over here. There was a 10 there and a 10 there, so that's all you have in order to get the headlight out. You don't have to go underneath the car. You can just move the skin. It's actually pretty flexible. So there you go. Headlights are out.